Welcome to the redesigned Securities and Exchange Commission Historical Society website. The site's been modernized to help the Society grow its collection, keep pace with technology, and better serve both current and future visitors. The first thing you'll notice is the refreshed visual design. Guided by input from the Board of Trustees, we updated the Historical Society's branding and integrated it throughout the site, resulting in a cleaner, a more contemporary look and feel, and the UX has been improved to be a lot more intuitive. Some of the most important improvements, however, are behind the scenes. The new site is built on a flexible framework that's going to allow the society to update and expand it much easier over time. For example, the featured exhibition on the homepage is now updated with a simple button click behind the scenes. And it allows the homepage to stay current, providing new promotional material and to add content as the collection grows. We also clarified how the content's organized. What used to be called galleries are now digital exhibitions. Shorter one-page stories are now spotlights, and tributes are used for content that honors individual people. The goal is to make the site easier to understand for longtime users and new visitors alike. The timelines have also been updated. Visitors can browse by decade, get more content, and click through to see specific entries. We've improved the giving section, offering a better platform for development efforts, donor recognition, and communication of giving opportunities. One of the biggest improvements is the digital archive search. On the old site, many archives were essentially pieces of text on long search result pages. On the new site, each archive item has its own page with its own information, download summaries, and supporting details. One side note, because each object now has its own page, that's going to also be a huge benefit for search engine optimization, as every single page will contribute to search engine results. These changes make the collection easier to search, easier to manage, and to expand. New material is now added as distinct content in the collection rather than simply as more text on a page. We've also clarified the search experience. Instead of a single general search, the main menu now features a dedicated search item. When visitors hover over search, they can select the specific content that they want to explore: digital archive search, exhibition, spotlight, tribute, search, or timeline search. That makes it clear right away that the site has several distinct kinds of content. The digital archive is the main collection search, while exhibitions, spotlights, tributes, and timelines each function in their own way. We've also added search tips to the digital archive to help visitors understand how the filters work. The archive search uses all selected terms and filters together, so each result has to match every word, year, category, and media format selected. If visitors don't find what they're looking for, they're encouraged to broaden the search by removing a word or clearing a filter. They can also try searching exhibitions, spotlights, tributes, or timelines instead. The archive search is much more powerful. We've added optical character recognition to more than 10,000 PDFs, so visitors can search text that used to be locked inside of scanned documents. Visitors can narrow results by year, media context, and media format, so they can search a topic, limit it to oral histories, choose a year if needed, and move quickly from more than 10,000 archive objects to find the material that they need. For example, searching for Arthur Levitt in oral histories now yields results where he's mentioned, even if he isn't the main subject. This is a major improvement for researchers, museum goers, and younger visitors who expect search to be fast and intuitive. The Society has also prepared helpful summaries for the oral histories, allowing visitors to quickly review the content before deciding whether to watch or read the full material. The new site provides the Historical Society with a modernized public presence, streamlined organization, improved search capabilities, and a robust foundation for future growth. Adding to the collection is now more efficient, visitors can easily find what they need, and the platform is adaptable to support the Society's evolving needs. We have already expanded the collection with new historical content and have exciting plans for continued growth. I hope you enjoy exploring the newly redesigned museum.